access to clean and unpolluted water source, as they are highly sensitive to changes in water quality. Breeding for the American dipper begins in early spring, with males performing elaborate courtship displays, including singing and bobbing, to attract a mate. Once paired, the female constructs a domed nest made of moss and plant material, usually located on a rock ledge or behind a waterfall, where it is protected from predators and the elements. The female lays between 2 to 4 eggs, which she incubates for about 2 weeks. After hatching, both parents are involved in feeding and caring for the chicks, which fledge the nest approximately 3 to 4 weeks later. Despite their adaptability, American dipper populations face threats from habitat degradation, pollution, and climate change. Conservation efforts aimed at preserving